is going on, my YouTube friends? So yeah, today I come out in the garage. I finished buttoning up a few things on the wiring harness for the headlights and for the taillights and stuff like that, and for the key, ignition for the key, you know, so to turn over. Everything's looking good. Things are coming together. I still got to put the headlights together, you know, do the wiring on that, get that buttoned up. So things are moving along. Let's turn this around. So I got the steering column picked back up right now. I'll probably have to drop it again to finish hooking up the brake switch and stuff like that, but still, we're moving along. I got this piece right here that protects the wires that go into the trunk. And, you know, we got some speaker wires and stuff like that, and some seatbelt wires, you know. So that way you get the ding, ding, ding if you get your seatbelt on. But hey, things are looking good. Man, listen how solid that is. Oh, I love it. So, we got all the wires down here. I got everything buttoned up here, tightened up. Like I said, I kept the windshield wiper motor switched just in case. This wire right here could be another hot wire for something as I'm wiring up for something else. And shoot, man, I really need to hook up the steering column and stuff down here though, don't I? Yeah, so I mean it's buttoned up there, but I got to run the shaft and everything down for the rack and pinion. But I mean, all in all, as of right now, things are good. And then I got to hook up the fan wires and all that, and the switches and everything for the fan. So we got a long way to go still, but we are making progress. And I figured I'd bring you in here and show you what's going on in Mr. Mach 1's garage tonight. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. National Parts Depot. It's good to have a place close by. But yeah, like I said, is that that's the steering shaft right there. You know, I got plenty to do still, but I mean, things are definitely moving along, and I'm happy. I'm happy the way things are going. But yeah, like I said, I still gotta button up the headlights here and put the new sockets and stuff on there so that way we can get the headlights working. But there's power that goes to those wires. I checked them, you know, we're pretty good. And I still got to do this one over here too. You see it right there, get bunched up, taped up. So, but you know, like I said, I got new sockets and stuff to put on there. And yeah, it's my wife's birthday month, and so I know we're planning to take a little trip. We're gonna go out and go up north and stuff like that. My daughters are gonna stay here at the house while we're gone. Take care of the dogs and that, but we're just going to go for like 2 or 3 days, maybe 4 days. We'll see how that works out. And so, but I am going to try to find a couple days off where I don't have to worry about nothing but working on the Fairmont. So, and I got to map out exactly where I'm putting the MSD box and everything else, so that way I can get this thing together and we can fire it up. Oh man, I'm getting anxious. But you know what? I've been working on it. I've been coming out here. You know, if I can spend 45 minutes, an hour, or whatever, a night to come out here, and I think we can make some progress that way. And that's what I've been doing, and we've been making some progress. So, all right, let's finish this up. This is the splitter that came off the Mach 1. You know, so I might buy this and clean it up. I don't know. I mean, it's got some bruises on it, but it's not. This is the worst spot right here. You know, so I don't know, but yeah. So we got our MSD Digital 6AL. We got all this good stuff. You know, we got the switch, fuse panel, and everything else. And you know, and I'm using double fuses and stuff on this stuff to make sure everything is good in good order. Yeah, and I got a whole bunch of extra wire and stuff like that, and some other sockets if I need them, you know, I mean, so I got extra parts. How's that, you know? Oh yeah. But yeah, we still got things going on here. And that Mach 1, it needs a bath. It's dirty. So yeah, I'm getting pretty excited, guys, and I hope you are too. You know, I want to get this thing running and get it going and take it for my first drive. You know what I'm saying? This car hasn't been on the road in about 13 years. So, well, like I said, we're working on it, trying to do a little bit every night. I think this is the most I've really worked on this car in a while. So, but anyhow, guys, I appreciate you guys coming by and watching. Ladies too, you're all awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. I want you to have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. And again, thank you.